Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to show you how to reset the maintenance minder light on the 2007 to 2023 Toyota Yaris. The maintenance required light just to let you know it's time to do an oil change. So for all those people who like to change their own oil, but don't know how to reset it, these are the steps. If you have a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Yaris, you can reset the maintenance light by using the trip button on the instrument cluster. So let's go see together how this task is done. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the trip button repeatedly until you see the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Now turn the key off. Step 4. Hold down the trip button while turning on the car again without starting the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until you see the display show all zeros and you're all done. Like the predecessor, you can reset the maintenance light in the 2012 to 2018 Toyota Yaris by using the trip button on the cluster. So let me do that right now. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without cranking the engine or press the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the trip button on the cluster until you see the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn off your car or press the start button once. Step 4. Press and hold the trip button while turning on the car again without cranking the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until the display shows all zeros and you're all done. There are two methods to reset the maintenance light in the 2019 and 2020 Toyota Yaris. You can reset it through the cluster and infotainment display. So let me guide you for the cluster first. Step 1. Make sure the car is turned off. Step 2. Press and hold the trip button on the instrument cluster and then press the start button twice. Step 3. Keep the trip button held down until the warning light flashes for a few seconds, and then you're done. Next, I'll show you how you can reset your distances when it comes to your maintenance for an oil change through the audio display. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Press the Home button on the center console and it's going to pop up with the main menu. Step 2. Turn the dial knob to highlight the application menu and then press the dial knob to enter. Step 3. Turn the knob again and select Maintenance. Step 4. Select Scheduled or Oil Change. Step 5. Select Reset, then it will give you another 5,000 miles and you're done. Next, I'll show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on the 2021 to 2024 Toyota Yaris. You can reset this minder by using the navigation button on the steering wheel. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Use the up or down navigation button on the steering wheel to highlight the gear icon. Step 3. Use the right navigation button to find the vehicle settings. Step 4. Hold down the OK button to enter the menu. Step 5. Go down to Oil Maintenance and press OK. Step 6. Select Yes to confirm the reset data, and you're done. So that's how the maintenance light reset is done on this vehicle. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments section. So thanks for stopping by and see you next time.